Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely BMW 2 Series. It's the M Sport, very rare, lovely condition, as you can see, finished in silver. Absolutely immaculate diamond cut alloy wheels. Paintwork's lovely. It's got privacy glass to the rear. It's got rear park distance control. Full M Sport body styling kit. It's 216D. Absolutely gleaming. Nice rear spoiler there. Got the electric rear opening tailgate with the parcel shelf. Absolutely lovely condition. It's got a lot of extras being the M Sport. Also, above the normal, it's got the full leather interior, lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Seats all in lovely condition. Doesn't look or drive anywhere near the mileage on the car. Got the M Sport multifunction steering wheel, auto headlights, DAB radio, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, full menu, air conditioning, different driving style modes, Sport, Eco, Pro, comes all up here. It's 105,345 miles. Really 6-speed gearbox, nice leather sport steering wheel. Honestly, everything looks passes a 40,000 miler. At DJH offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.